This here is the GoPro Hero 10. 23 megapixel, 5.360 FPS, 4K, 120 FPS, 33 feet or 10 meter waterproof, and GP2 sensor. So this does come with the new sensor and everything, and it has 23 instead of like 20, I think, in the previous generation. It takes 5.3K when the previous generation used to take 5. And then, this can shoot 4K in 120 frames per second. So you will get some really amazing, nice slow motion shots. We have some arrows on the bottom. Pull it. I love how GoPro started giving a bag, and this is really nice. You can just put your stuff in here and just throw it in the car or something, and you'll always have it without getting scratches or anything. The last one I had was the GoPro Hero 6. And yeah, it's completely different and a whole different experience here. The zipper, you see, are not exposed, so they're water resistant and dust resistant as well. Here's the inside. We have some paperwork with stickers and stuff. You know where these are going, back on my laptop. This is what it's looking like in the box. We have a USB-C charger with GoPro branding on it, just like any other previous GoPros. Same one. And of course we'll have a bunch of these. In this case, I guess we have only one, but yeah, we have one. This it's 3M tape, really secure. And then we have the screw here. We have a battery. Then we have this mount, and I really like this mount because it has the GoPro branding on it, and it has this silicone lever here. After you're done using this, you just put it back on so it doesn't get pressed and get released by accident. And the moment that I've been waiting for, maybe you guys are too, it's the GoPro itself. This is what it looks like. It is huge compared to the older ones. It is big. I'm not sure if the 9 is as big as this, but compared to my 6, this thing is huge. Of course, they have a screen in the front, so I guess it had to be bigger. The sensor is probably bigger too. This is the back screen, and this is what it's looking like. It's wrapped in paper. And here we have the GoPro exposed. This thing does not feel like a GoPro. They changed so much. This is the top side with the record button. This is the side where you put your battery and SD card in. Right now this is water sealed, but with the mod, if we put that on, we have to take this off and it won't be water sealed anymore. And then we have these new types of mount where it comes directly with the GoPro, which is pretty nice. It's just right there. You don't have to like put a whole case on to have this piece here. And we have 4 screws on the bottom in case you break this thing. Going around, we have the mode button to switch through the cycle of photos and videos and all the other stuff. And then we have 10 black written in blue. Nothing too much on the screen side. It just says GoPro on over here. And then we have a secondary screen where you can look at yourself as you're shooting, and the camera itself right in the front. The battery's in here. It got a little bit heavier. It is a huge camera, to be honest, but we'll see how it performs.